Whakaalofa tu makau. Welcome back. Been a while. Yo, check out what my mate from Tonga bought me. Well, that. You see that? You see that? Oh, yeah, this is a looks like a bluefish from Tonga, and I got some leftover Niue Taro. So my friend from Tonga, Kalipi, he brought me some fish from Tonga, which was nice of him, and some lobster or crayfish. So I ate the lobster and I dropped off 2 fish to my mum's because I know my mum loves fish. And then yeah, my Fijian friend, her name's Vimla, she's a support worker where I work. She bought me the Niue Taro, but she brought me 2 types. She brought me the normal one, and then she bought me these little round taro. And my mom told me that they grow on the side of the taro, like little balls. So I don't know the name, but I'm blessed today. Just thought I'd share. Pretty hot, so I got no shirt on. I got a hat on. Strange. But yeah. So I'm just gonna fill it this other side. Look at that, man. And then I'm gonna. This is the fillet I've already got. So yeah, my mate said it tastes good raw, so I might eat it raw. 1 raw, and then I might eat 1 fried, but we'll see. Yeah, right now it's still Jan, it's coming up to Feb tomorrow. Hope all is well. My daughter, she's starting college tomorrow or next week. We're going up north. We're going up to our spot up just by Whangarei, Rokaka. So excited for that. Yeah, my kids are back at school. Hope you guys are all good. Hope you guys are enjoying the videos. See that you like this mixed blend. So yeah, this lunch that I'm making today, it's like the taro was given to me by my Fijian friend, and the fish given to me by my Tongan friend. Yeah, so that's it. If you have any questions, no. Oh yeah, if you have any questions or have any comments of what kind of content you want to see this year, let me know. New things to come. Hope everything's all well. We'll catch you. Whakaalofa. Man, that was a big Tongan fish. Filleted it and just put it in some lemon and just let it saute, and I'm gonna eat off the taro. But I had some, it was nice, but man, it was a big fish. Now we're eating salmon now. This is smoked, and it's from the finest Atlantic salmon from the Norwegian fjords. I thought it was from New Zealand, but when we buy raw salmon, it's from New Zealand, but the one smoked is from Norway, bro. Yeah, tomorrow I just got asked from my sister if I can come to her. She's got a new job, and she asked if I could come and might be able to say a speech or something. I think that's her asking, can I say something in Wangahau Niue? I'm not sure, but hey, I'm always keen. I always drop some Niue words in there if I can. But yeah, man, that Tongan fish, thanks, man. Kalipi, bro, whakaolahi, and Vimla, whakaolahi e tautala Niue. My Fijian mate from work got that taro from her daughter. I think that knows some Niuean people, or maybe married, I'm not sure. But yeah, very good, very good. It gave me a boost. I was feeling a bit low on energy, but all that fish protein I ate got a bit of boost and energy in the taro. Man, feel much better, feel stronger. So yeah, be good. So tomorrow morning, hopefully I get some footage of that. speaking Whangahau Niue. It's all practice, you know. If I can speak in public the language, then speaking to anybody in the language should be easy too. That's part of me growing with my own language, you know, having the confidence to speak it. So yeah, my eyes, man, I've been flat out all week. Today, whew. And then we got a pack for tomorrow because we're going up north, our annual trip to Ruakaka with the family. It's all go. So yeah, I hope you guys have a good day, enjoying this hot weather if you're in New Zealand. If you're outside of New Zealand, hope everything's all good. Kia monuina, mutolo kia.